Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and simple step on how to reset your First Republic bank account's password if you've forgotten it during login in. If you're trying to sign into your First Republic bank account online, you'll first need to open the application for it. Inside the application, you'll need to type in your username and your password. If you don't remember your password, all you need to do is to tap on Forgot Password link beneath the password box. It'll then take you to a new page where you'll need to enter your username associated with your online banking account. Type in your correct username in the text box and tap on Next at the top right. It'll then look for your account with this particular provided username and it'll ask you to verify your account first. Go ahead and verify your account with a one-time passcode or your email address, and then it'll take you to a new page where you can type in the new password you'd like to reset for your First Republic bank account. Follow through the on-screen prompts till the end and you should be able to get hold of your password back again. That is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.